A very good morning to one and all. I, Sandeep Singh Rajawat, on the behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Shupunga, would like to welcome our Chief Guest, Mr. Ajay Kumar, for the celebration of National Sports Day. He is a sports officer in Higher Education Department of Madhya Pradesh, and he has achieved a lot in his sports career as well as in academics. He had represented in School Games Federation of India and 3 times KVS National in handball, and also he has participated in university tournament from LNIP Gwalior. Not only in sports but also in academics he has done a lot. He has cleared 3 times JRF, 1 time HTET, that is Haryana Teacher Eligibility Test, and diploma holder in Science of Exercise from the University of Colorado, USA, and also he is a state Major Dhyan Chand awardee for his contribution in physical education. I welcome you, sir, and I would like to welcome our most respected principal, sir, teachers, parents, and my dear students. We are celebrating the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. He was born on 29th of August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. He has scored more than 400 goals in his international career and more than 1000 goals in his overall career. He led his team's victory 3 times in the Olympics, in the 1928, in the 1932, and in the 1936. He was known as the Wizard of Hockey because of his unbeatable skills. In a match between India and Netherlands, officials broke down his sticks in 2 pieces to check whether there is any magnet or not in his sticks. But no, that magic was in his hands. After putting stamp on the international hockey arena and having served his country to reach pinnacles of glory multiple times throughout his career. Most noted memorial for him is the award on his name, which is the highest award in sports for lifetime achievement in India, and the National Sports Day celebration on his birthday. One of the greatest batsmen of all time, Sir Donald Bradman, on seeing Major Dhyan Chand said, he scored goals like runs. With this, I would like to sum up and would like to call Mr. Akhilesh to motivate students for fitness.
Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, our chief guest Mr. Ajay Kumar, sports officer, Higher Education Department, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and my dear students. Today we are celebrating National Sports Day. I am Akhilesh Kandaria, going to present one speech on fitness and wellness. So I would like to start my speech with one slok, that is Vyayamat labhate swasthyam dirghayusham balam sukham आरोग्यम परम भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम. अर्थात it means with exercise will give you good and long life. Also it will give you energy and peace in your life. If you are healthy, it means you are the luckiest person in the world, and with the help of good health you can do all the work efficiently. So fitness and wellness both plays a vital role in our life. Fitness means the ability of a person to perform physical activities. Fitness includes power of body, strength of muscles and joints. If a person is physically fit, it does not mean he is also healthy. So fitness does not mean health. On the other hand, wellness means your complete health. It includes your mental health, physical health, emotional health, and so on. So fitness is only about having a good body shape, while wellness is all about a good health. There are so many benefits of fitness and wellness. And fitness and wellness you will get with the help of exercise. So exercise will give you so many benefits, like it will keep you physically fit, it will lower the risk of disease in your body, It will balance your stress hormones. It will manage your body weight. It improves quality of life. It will give you positive attitude, and it will provide you healthy lifestyle. So daily dedication towards fitness can help you a lot to work efficiently. Fitness not only means going to gym or fitness club, but also some activities like walking, jogging, running and doing yoga. And all these activities will enhance your capability of body. And everyone must engage oneself at least 30 minutes in any kind of activities on regular basis to stay fit and healthy. So if you want to enjoy your life without any disease, and if you don't want to eat medicines in your life, so you should go for some exercise like yoga, jogging, walking, running. All these will provide you healthy and safe life. So thank you so much, and I would like to thank to Principal Sir to provide me this opportunity.
Thank you, Akhilesh sir. In this pandemic, students are not able to go outside and enjoy their favorite games. So I would like to call K. Kamlesh, a student of 12th standard, to share his experience in this pandemic.
Hi friends, good evening. How are you all? Because of COVID-19, we are restricted in our home itself. Okay. Today I am going to speak something which is special. What thing means? Because of this COVID-19, we are far from the school. As we know. Therefore, we are missing many things. For every student, an important thing is missed. That is the PT period, the physical training period. Suppose in our school, next period is PT, or else today I am having PT period. From morning itself, I am saying, hey, today this period PT da, today this period PT, today this period PT. Likewise, we will saying like that. At the time when the bell rang, the PT period started, we rushed to the ground and play like anything. But because of this COVID-19, Corona, we have restricted to go to school. Due to that, the PT period is also eradicated from our mind. So, because of the pandemic time, we can't go out also. But for a student or also for a child, there should be both equal physical and mental work. Suppose you are physically fit, that is the meaning you are mentally fit. You are studying a concept in physics. Okay, you are studying. How can we apply in practical situations? Likewise only, if you play a game, your body will be pure. My body will be pure? How? On the time of the playing, your mental stress will be reduced. Your physical will be our body will be getting freshened. So we can concentrate nicely in the work which you are doing after the playing. During the playing, we are getting so much of sweating. Biologically, sweating is also considered as the excreta. So playing has many positive effects. Likewise in our school and our education system and our government are organizing many of the programs. I am hands off to my Modi ji because he is organizing many of the programs. Because of the COVID-19, we are not restricted in the home itself. Nowadays, the programs have been announced. Many programs have been announced. As you know, we are daily running some kilometers. And the data have been stored and the data have been uploaded in a app. Hands off to Modiji and other peoples. As per today's concern, because of the COVID-19, every activities have been little backward. But now, because of that, the sports activities also being backward. But our government is now inducing the students and the sportsmen to indulge in sports activity in online also. And because of the COVID-19 only online program. Before COVID-19, I am studying in KV Shivaganka. In that, there is many programs have been organized, which makes us to confirm where we have a good quality. The running or athletics, etc. sports have been organized in our education system, and our governmental organization also organizing many programs, many sports programs, as you know. And now I am saying, friends, physical work is also important. You should physically fit, then you will be mentally fit. If you are mentally fit, and every problem will be getting over. See, really, if you play sports, your mind will become pure. You will be so silent. You will feel very nice. You should run a certain kilometer in the morning, then you will be free. But you may not think that first day itself, I can't run this much kilometer in this much time, but Usain Bolt can run this much kilometer in this much time. Why can't I? Then I am weak in sports. No, guys. Repeated practice, repeated work. For everything, the repeated practice is needed. I am assured to you that if you repeatedly practice the game which you are liking, you will become the highest position in the game. I am assuring, guys. In my school, there is an excellent teacher who is Sandeep sir. Sir, I am thanking you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. He is indulging us in all the activities, including handball, football, volleyball, etc. activities. If you see me in the studying, your mind will be imposed. Suppose you are playing a football. What and all will be included? You listen carefully, means your leg, your eyes, your minds, etc. have been included. So guys, I am saying that playing is also very important. It is also top priority, etc. activities. If you see me in the studying, your mind will be imposed. Suppose you are playing a football. What and all will be included? You listen carefully, means your leg, your eyes, your minds, etc. have been included. So guys, I am saying that playing is also very important. It is also top priority. So be physically fit. Go and indulge in all the activities organized by the government. Now government are organizing one of the activities. So I am saying that the sports day is coming. Indulge yourself in one of the sports and games. So hands up to you. So at last, I am ending. Sports is also important for our life. Sports is also a type of subject which is included in between the physics, chemistry, biology as well. So if you do sports, you will be physically fit and you become mentally fit, and everything will be clear in your life. So practice more sports and be good in any one of the sports, and do running and etc. and many physical works. With this, I am ending my speech. Thanks for Sandeep sir to giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thank you to everyone who is watching my video.
Thank you, Kamlesh. Now I would like to call our chief guest, Mr. Ajay Kumar, to share his valuable words with the students.
Very good morning to all the listeners, respected principal sir, C. Muttai sir. Thanks for giving me this platform to share my views and thoughts with young children. On this day, I would like to remember Major Dhyan Chand on his birth anniversary. He was considered as the greatest Indian hockey player just because he scored 519 international goals, and he was the captain of the Indian team who won 3 consecutive Olympic gold medals from 1928 to 1936. He is considered as the wizard of Indian hockey. I would also like to thank the Government of India for celebrating National Sports Day as a festival. Major Dhyan Chand was a true example of a great sportsman and a great example of true leader and a dedicated person. I appreciate those students who are considered as all-rounder. Just because you are good in academics can get you a better professional life, but if you are good in fitness and sports field, you can live that life even more better. Remembering my days as a KV student, I was equally good in both academics and sports, so I opted a career which have both sports and education. So I opted physical education, and physical education helped me to live my career as my hobby. As the definition of physical education clearly defines that it develops the individual wholesome, from being physically fit to morally fit, from socially fit to mentally fit. Our late president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, considered sports as a means of living a good life. Renowned personality Swami Vivekanand considered sports as a mean of getting a heaven rather than studying Gita. Being a researcher in this field, I would like to share some facts. There is a factor known as BDNF, that stands for brain derived neural factors. The more you participate in sports activity, this BDNF is going to increase, and BDNF is responsible for retention power in our body. Hence, a academician who is going to appear for competition exams should participate in regular sports activities, because it ultimately going to improve their retention power. As every field has evolved, the physical education field has also evolved. It is now not just considered as a vocational education, but it is now considered as professional education, because the scope of employment in this field is getting increased day by day. As this COVID era has arrived, fitness has emerged as a life-saving boat. I request all the staff and the students of KV Shiv Ganga to regularly participate in yoga activities, specifically go for pranayama. That specifically going to improve your lung strength and respiratory muscles, that can be helpful in this era of coronavirus. I would also like to request all the students of young age to regularly participate in sports activities in isolation, just because not to get fit, but this is the age of getting a perfect weight, perfect height. So just go to your roof, perform skipping, push-ups, pull-up, chin-up, minimum sports activity that can help you in getting that required height and weight for your age. I would also like to say that we cannot change the situation, but we can adapt the situation. We should not consider games and sports as a mean of recreation or a play activity. We should consider them life-saving too. In the end, I would like to thank Mr. Sandeep Rajawat for organizing such a wonderful program in a limited resources time, and I wish him a tremendous success ahead. I wish a happy sports day to one and all. Stay home, stay safe, and I have added one more thing: stay home, stay safe, and stay fit. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ajay Kumar sir. Now I would like to call our principal sir to address.
Good afternoon. I am happy to share with you the principal of KV Sivagangai. And this year we are conducting virtual annual sports meet of KV Sivagangai. I am happy to invite Mr. Ajay Kumar, Sports Officer, Higher Education Department of Madhya Pradesh, having accepted as a chief guest of this virtual sports meet of KV Sivagangai. I am glad to inform you that the team of the teachers headed by Mr. Sandeep of Physical Education Department is organizing excellently for these annual sports meets. And dear parent, here I am with some tips on this occasion. You know very well this corona issues, a lot of pressure among the children and parents, even teachers. Still, we have to motivate our children to come out of the house and play some time and involve indoor and outdoor games in order to increase their immunity power to fight with the coronas. Slowly we should bring our children to involve their physical activities so that they automatically increase the immunity power to fight with this corona, this present scenario. And I am so happy to organize this virtual annual sports meet. And thank you so much of a team of the people who are organizing this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have come to the last part where I have to say goodbye to you all. So I, Sandeep Singh Rajawat, on the behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Shivganga and on my personal behalf, would like to propose vote of thanks to the chief guest, Mr. Ajay Kumar, for gracing the celebration of National Sports Day. Thank you, sir.